everyone, welcome back to Crafty Corner's channel, and today I am going to show you how to cut fabric with your Cricut Maker 3 to make a personalized pet bandana. Here are just a few things that we're going to need. I am using this fat quarter, which is a 100% cotton I picked up at Walmart. I cut it to a 12 by 12 shape, and I'm going to remove the protective sheet from my fabric grip cutting mat. Then I'm going to carefully put my fabric onto the sticky part of the mat, making sure that it's laying down nice and smooth. I'm then going to take my brayer and I am going to press down once again, really adhering that fabric to our cutting mat. This is our rotary blade, which is going to go in our machine. We are going to take out the fine point blade and replace it with the rotary blade. Then we'll load our mat. First, it's going to check our mat length to make sure that we have the correct mat. We'll hit the flashing go button. Next, it's going to check our blade, making sure that we have the correct blade. And then it will cut. After it's done cutting, we can unload our mat. I first remove the excess fabric, and then I removed my cut fabric. Here I have two pieces that my Cricut cut out of the same shape, just different patterns, and I'm going to sew across here with the right sides together. Here they're sewn across. I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to show you a little trick that I use. I actually use my Easy Press Mini to open up my seam. So I'm going to open my seam here, and I'm going to use my Easy Press Mini to flatten that down. Once that's opened up and flattened down, we're going to spin it and about a 1/4 inch fold on each side. Again, I use my Easy Press Mini, and it helps me iron down this fold. Then we'll flip it and do it on the other side. Once that's done, we're actually going to sew along that fold you just made. Here they're sewn. And then I'm going to, again, right sides together, match up our pointy end of the triangle. We're then going to sew just the triangle portion. We're going to leave this part open as this is where our leash is going to go in. All right, here it's sewn together, and we're going to put it right side out. Once we have it right side out here, I'm going to again use my Easy Press Mini and flatten those seams. Next up, what we're going to do is take our collar and I'm going to insert it into our bandana we've made all the way through. And then by doing this, I can actually measure where our pocket is going to go. So I'm just eyeballing here where I want my line across. So I'm going to take my collar out, and then I'm going to go sew that line across to make our pocket. Here it's all sewn, and it looks great. But to make it personalized, let's add our name. Here I have some glitter iron-on cut, and I'm going to use my Easy Press Mini and heat this on. Then I'll flip and do the same thing this side, just regular smart iron-on. Remove the carrier sheet. Then I'm going to put my collar here right back in to our little pocket that we sewed. And then you're ready to put it on your pet. Double-sided, so you can flip it around. Perfect little bandana. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, give us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe.